Hello, I'm Electra, the technology butterfly, and today I'm going to make myself into the real Cindy cat. Bink. Meow, and today we're going to play the Friskies cat game. Meow. I like looking at the fish and tapping them. Well done, Cindy! So thank you for watching Cindy the Technology Butterfly. I'll see you next time. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe to my videos.
Really?
And Mama's got another flat tire.
Hey.
One yesterday and one today now.
Oi.
And a nail
Don't
caused
tell
it.
him that.
I'll see you next time.